Hello everyone. So today we've got a spectator. This is our neighborhood cat. This is Peaches. He roams around, just keeps an eye on everything. He does have a home, but he is mainly an outdoor cat. And for some reason he just likes to sit here and observe me wash my car. So you'll see him in the background a little bit today. So for today's video, I'm going to be talking about a product that I'm pretty excited for. This is Bilt Hamber Atom-Mac. So if you've watched some of my previous videos, you'll know that I kind of obsess over my wheels and the cleanliness of them. And I've got a pretty good process down, something that I'm real happy with. The problem that I have yet really to solve is that as soon as I am done washing them, right, no matter how quickly I dry the car, there's always that surface rust that forms on the brake rotors. And as soon as I drive the car, that brake rotor rust, right, comes off and it ends up right here inside the wheel wells. And you know, it may not be obvious to most people, but it's obvious to me. And so we're gonna see if this Bilt Hamber product helps reduce that. So to get started, you know, car's pretty dirty. It's pollen season, so there's quite a bit of pollen on the car. It's rained a little bit, you know, and so that's just kind of created a nice mess all over the car. So we're gonna do a normal car wash, but to start, I'm gonna take this Atom-Mac that I mixed up. I mixed this up 5%. It's only 24 milliliters to fill this 16-ounce bottle, and I'm gonna go around and just lightly hit all the rotors before I do my wheel wash, and then after my wheel wash, I'm gonna hit it again. Right. So we'll just start here at the back. From what I've heard about this, you don't need a ton. And I've also read that it's okay if it, you know, if some of it drips down into the lower part of the wheel, that doesn't hurt anything. Obviously, I'm going to wash the wheels here, so some of that will get washed away. Okay, got that one. So I've read that it's good to kind of let this set up for a few minutes. So I'm going to do this kind of initial pre-spray, and then I'm going to go just, you know, get my wash bucket all set up and just really give this product a chance to go to work. So, okay, that should be enough. So I'm going to get to my wheel washing process, and then after I wash each wheel, I'm going to spray this back on, and then we're going to come back at the end of the video and see how these rotors look. All right, we're back. Let's see how we did. Not bad. So you can see there is just a tiny little bit like of surface rust, but not nearly as bad as this would normally be. So I'm pretty encouraged by this. I may change how I apply it. So I applied it twice. I applied it once before I washed the wheels, and again once right after I washed the wheel. So 2 applications. So I may play around with, you know, slightly stronger dilution. This one was only 5%. You know, we'll see that, but that right there is not bad. That normally would be like totally covered in rust. So just to see like those little spots and stuff is pretty encouraging. Let's go look at a back wheel, a back rotor. These tend to not be as bad. Yeah, let me see if I can. That may not even be rust. I don't know. That's interesting. So yeah. Pretty impressed by the Bilt Hamber Atom-Mac so far. I'm going to do another quick clip after I dry the car, and we'll see how it looks. All right, time to see how we did, or how Atom-Mac did. So one of the front rotors, these are usually the worst. I think it's a different material. So tell me guys in the comments, is this normal for Atom-Mac? Like, this is not rust. I don't know, like, maybe that's just how Atom-Mac looks, but that is not rust. So yeah, if you've used Atom-Mac, tell me if this is normal, because this just may be the effect that Atom-Mac has, because it's not coming off, right? Like, it's not rust. Like, I'm sure it'll come off like when I drive the car. I'm not worried about that. In fact, I may do another little clip after I've, you know, hit the brakes a couple of times, just to see how this cleans up, right? And if it does in fact like leave any, you know, rust residue on the interior of the wheel. So anyway, I'm pretty happy with this. This is definitely, you know, better than it would normally be without the Atom-Mac. Normally, like I said, this would be totally rusted over. It'd be coming off on my fingers, right? Coming off on my, you know, drying towel if I happen to, you know, touch it or something like that. So far, pretty impressed. Let me know if you've used Atom-Mac and what you think of it. Take care.